Okay class, today we will do some questions of exercise 7b, sorry 8b. We will do chapter number 8, exercise 8b. Okay, now let's start by doing the first question. Question number 1 says two numbers are in ratio. Two numbers are in ratio 8 is to 3. There are two numbers and their ratio is given, that is 8 is to 3. If the sum of the number is 143, we have to find the numbers. Now first of all, in these type of word problem, try to form a equation using the statement. The statement is given and you have to form a equation. Now read the question again. Here you have given the ratio. Okay, ratio of the numbers is given. Ratio is 8 is to 3. So let the numbers be 8x and 3x. 8x and 3x, because ratio तो given है, ratio से हम number assume कर सकते हैं. Now the sum is given, so sum of numbers should be, numbers है 8x and 3x, so their sum should be 11x, but it is given 143, right? Now the equation is 11x equals to 143. This is the equation. Now solve this equation and find the value of x. You will send this 11 on the other side, so this will be 143 upon 11. Now cut it. 11 ones are 11, 11 ones are 11, 11 threes are 13. So x equals to 13. What is the value of x? It is 13. Right? Now let's move on to the question number 3. Question number 3 says 4/5 of a number. Four-fifths of a number is 10 more than 2/3 of the number. Find the number. Now again read the question and form a equation. Try to form the equation. It says 4/5 of a number. 4/5 of a number means 4 upon 5th of x. Right? 4/5 of a number is 10 more than 2 upon 3 of the number. Right? Okay, now this says 4/5 of a number, that is 4/5 of a number हमारा x है. जहाँ भी नंबर की बात करते हैं, we let assume it x. 4/5 of a number is 10 more than 2/3 of the number. Right? 10 ज़्यादा है 2/3 of the number से. Now this is the equation. This is your equation. You can solve it further. First we will write the terms with x together. So we will send this on this side. Right, now solve it. Take the LCM. It is 15. Now 5 3s are 15. 5 denominator लाने के लिए हम 3 से multiply करते हैं. So we will multiply it with 3 also. Now 3 5s are 15. So 5 into 2x. It will be 12x minus 10x upon 15 equals to 10, right? 12 minus 10, 2x upon 15 equals to 10. Now we will send this 15 on this side. It will be 2x equals to 10 into 15. अभी 15 क्या था? Divide में था. This 15 is in division. When it goes to the other side of the equal to sign, it will be in multiplier. 2x equals to 150. Then x equals to 150 upon 2. It will be 75. So what is the value of x? X equals to 75. The number is 75. Student, let's move on to the question number 4. Question number 4 says, open your books and see the question. Question number 4 of 8b. We are doing the exercise 8b. It says 24 is divided into 2 parts. Is divided into 2 parts. Such that 7 times the first part is added to 5 times the second part makes 146. Find each part. Now form the equation. Try to form an equation by reading the question. 24 is divided into how many parts? 2 parts. Now first see, let the first part, अगर हम 24 को divide करते हैं 2 part में, let the first part be x. Okay, first part, when you divided 24 into 2 parts, the first part is x and the second part will be, see, if anybody says divide the 5 into 2 parts, so अगर हमने 5 को 2 में divide कर दिया, first part 5 का 2 है and second part will be 5 minus 2 3. Okay, first part is 2 and second part is 5 minus 2. Similarly, if here we have first part be x and then the second part will be 24 minus x. It is understood? Okay, now such that 7 times the first part. Okay, 7 times the first part, that means 7x is added to, add किसमें किया? 5 times the second part, 5 times the second part. 5 times of second part makes 146. It gives 146. Right? This is your equation. I think nobody has confusion in it. Now let's see one more time. 24 is divided into 2 parts. You have to divide 22 in 2 parts. Okay, 24 को 2 parts में divide करना है. Let the first part be x and second part will automatically be 24 minus x. It says 7 times the first part. First part was x, so 7 times of first part it will be 7x. Such that 7 times of the first part is added. It is added to 5 times the second part. Second part ka 5 times makes 146, right? Now solve this equation. 5 into 24, 120 minus 5x equals to 146. Now write the terms with x together and send the other terms on the opposite side. 146 minus 120. Okay, it will be 2x and 26. Right? From here we can find the value of x. So x equals to 30. So the first part, we have to find the parts, right? So the first part is x. So first part is x and x की value is 13. Second part will be 24 minus x. 24 minus 13, it will be 11. So the second part is 11. Now move on to the question number 5. Question number 5 says, find the number whose fifth part increased by 5. Question number 5. Find the number whose fifth part increased by 5 is equal to its fourth part diminish by 5. Now what does it means? It means we have to find a number, okay, whose fifth part increased by 5. First, fifth part of a number, that means x. We have a number x and fifth part of x is x upon 5. Increased by 5. Increased by 5 is equal to fourth part of the number, that means x upon 4, diminished by 5. Diminish means minus 5. Okay. Now this is your equation. What you have to do, this is the equation here. Write the numbers with x together. सीधा सेंड करें, x को भेजेंगे इधर इसको भेजेंगे. It will be 4 and minus 5 minus 5. Now take the LCM here. It will be 20. 5 4s are 20, 4x. 4 5s are 20, 5x. It will be minus minus plus minus 10. Here we have minus x upon 20 equals to minus 10. So from here you can find the value of x, right? 2 को इधर भेजेंगे, it will be 20. So minus x equals to minus 200. Minus से minus cancel. X equals to 200. So the number is 200. Now let's move on to the question number 6. Question number 6 says, 3 numbers are in ratio ratio 4:5:6. This is the ratio of 3 numbers. If the sum of the largest and the smallest equal to the sum of the third and 55. Find the numbers. How many numbers are there, class? 3 numbers, right? And their ratio is given. Ratio is 4:5:6. So let the numbers be 4x, 5x and 6x, right? Now if the sum of largest and smallest equal to the sum of third and fifth, sum of largest and smallest. Now this is the largest and this is the smallest. So sum of largest and smallest is equal to किसके है? Sum of the third जो बचा हुआ है and 55, right? Now this is your equation. Write the x terms together. We'll send this on this side. It is 5x equals to 55, and from here you can find the value of x, right? It will be 11. Now x equals to 11. This is not your number. Our numbers are 4x, 5x and 6x. So 4x equals to 4 into 11, 44. 5x equals to 5 into 11, 55. And 6x equals to 6 into 11, 66. So the numbers are 44, 55 and 66. These are the three numbers. Now move on to the question number 8. 7th is very easy. You can do it by yourself. I'll just tell you the equation of question number 7. The question number 7 says 10 added to the 4 times of a certain number. 10 add किया है 4 times of a number. Result is 5 less than 5 times of the number. 5 times of the number से 5 कम है. This is the equation of question number 7. You can solve it and find the number. Now let's move